Hi all, thanks for joining. Welcome to one more AI powered session. So today we are going to see one of the powerful demo with Ollama with Claude Code. Yes, you heard right. Recently you might have heard internet is flooded with Claude Code integration with Ollama. Yes, currently 6 days back. So this month it has been incorporated with Ollama. So, what are the other platforms and other code bases it is giving? So, if you go to Ollama platform official site, let me quickly open for you. So, here we go, and you can go to here, and in this, go to Ollama. If you see here, Ollama has models are there. So, currently, it has integrated with Flash 47 point, and here if you see 93.7k pools up to dated in 6 days ago. So these are few models Ollama has been currently integrated, and these are the models available for our users. So it is open source, private, no API keys dependency, and no locally secure. So if you go to the code base and if you see recommended models it is supporting currently, uh, Quan 3 coder, GLM 4.7, GPT OSS 20, and GPT OSS 120. And if you left side, if you see integration, it has recently opened Cloud Code, Cloudbot, Clean, Codex, and Droid. So there are many more models are there, and flows are integration points are there, but mostly it has the internet flooded with Cloud Code and the integration with Ollama. Let's dive into and check it out. So you can go to the official site here and follow the step by step for the your integration. If you see here Cloud Code integration, it is an Anthropic agentic code tool, so which can read, modify, and execute code in your working directory. So open model can use Cloud Code through Ollama. Now there is a integration between both of them, and GLM 4.7, Qwen 3 coder, and GPT OSS it supports. So I'm in a Windows operating system I'm using, so I'll go for with Windows. If you are using OS, Mac OS or Linux, you can use this. So just copy it out like this and go to your open your PowerShell, and in this PowerShell you just copy paste it. And once you navigated and install it, so my end I have already installed. Still I'll show you one more time. So I'm navigating to my current directory. And then simple copy paste. You can take that one, simple copy, and if you go here and let me quickly do that for you. Okay, this is Anthropic site. I'm doing copy paste for you. So this is so quickly we'll go to the terminal and I'll close this off. So this is the terminal. Once you install on it with the bas command, so you can give the command there, irm https colon slash slash cloud.ai install ps1. Once that is done, you will come and land here. So once you land, then you can check your Ollama version like I did it here, Ollama version. So it is showing Ollama version is 0.1.5. Then you give Claude version, and once it is successfully installed, you can 2.1.7. And while installation, you might have one installation done, it might ask you to set the global variables. So navigate to the uh, system settings, and from there you set the global variables for this Claude. So simple path, it will prompt you and it will guide you while installation, so you can quickly do it. Once that is done, then Ollama launch the Claude, and you can directly launch like Ollama launch Claude. In that way, you will land with your default settings whatever installed. But I have given launch config. In this way, it will ask which version you are going. So launch Claude Code now. Yes, I have given yes. If you see here, and I have a default GPT OSS 120B cloud I have taken. So in that way, Claude Code is launching on large language model, that is GPT OSS 120B cloud. So if you see here, it has already launched, and I'll show you few of things I did here. It is so powerful that once you land on it, let me quickly maximize the screen for you so that you can look into properly. Here it will be visible. If you see here, what I have done, so once you connect to it, it will ask you. And one thing you can, it is very powerful, very amazing. If you see here, I was just playing around. Once you come here, and okay, I was down. Let me quickly take you to up where I started the code. And here, if you see, I have how beautifully codes has been written. And you see here, it is started with hi, hello, how can I help you? Once you connected to your system, now Claude is locally pointed and installed in Ollama through Ollama. So there is no API key involved. You are privately browsing. You are communicating with a large language model and on Anthropic code base, that is Claude. And Claude is very powerful basically for it development and local developments. You can use it for your local developments and vibe coding and zip codings. So it is not as much as powerful with Sonnet and Opus, but you can download them and you can use as per your need. If you see here, we have connected and we have landed here, and when I say hi, hello, how can I help you? So here, once you have properly done with your setup, this Anthropic model will come up for you with Claude version number. If you see here, and it will ask some basic questions, you can go ahead and tell them yes, yes, and come here. And you can see here, welcome. And if you see here, GPT 120 is a API usage billing. Just ignore for that because it is locally installed. Local install, it doesn't, it is free. You can Google it out, it is free actually. So that is the major where internet is flooded with like cloud code is integrated with Ollama, and it is available for locally for your developments, vibe codings, and job codings. So once that is done, if you see model is try, model to try Opus 4. Opus 4 is one of the powerful model which support on cloud code. But in that case, you have to download it out, and we'll shortly see that if we can download it. And now, as you can see in that parcel, I was trying to, it is better. So we thought, let me ask him if he is able to really coding, or and able to do it or not. So I asked him a simple prompt I have given: be an expert in technical architect and develop a forecast simple web page where I can put the city name and do. So I asked him to design something for me. You can use it for your blog post, you can use for your development codes, you can, so many use cases are there. So let me explain you this, which I made this, as you can see, a weather application within a 5 minutes without any technical knowledge. So anybody can do vibe codings with Claude Code. It is a very wonderful and amazing integration recently launched. Do hands on it. It will definitely take you to one more level of uh, what you call uh, for your development. Definitely, it is amazing. It is almost all satisfy your conditions that provide you a vibe coding needed. And what are the top 5 use cases you can see? Offline coding agents, you can get sub agents as well, multiple file refactoring, and it will secure local experiment, customized workflows. Ollama allows customized workflows and lightweight model deployments. So this is definitely very, very powerful. And you see, I have asked, it is ready now. And if you ask, I was asking him, let me quickly explain what it has done. You see, so solution overview, it has given me, as per my, we need to ask clarification questions about, it is asking me the user needs, what exactly you need, how you need, which front end technology would you like to use. So for person who don't know anything about technicality, it is the one of the best to start with. It is very powerful, very useful, framework wise you can learn and you can start with, like lovable and all, without, basically for vibe coding, without any technical knowledge. It is awesome. Which front end technology would you like to use? Plain text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, no framework. So simple thing. It is simple we are making. We are not going to more deep like framework based, whether there will be front end, back end, and server side, client side. We just ask a simple demo here. So it is asking, how would you like to handle the weather API, direct client fetch or embedded? Amazing, amazing, excellent. Which weather API do you prefer? Open weather or current 5 days? So there are free tiers were there. So I asked for a very free tier. Where do you plan to host? So GitHub versus and notify self. So it has its own brain and it is suggesting you. If you are a very newcomer to the platform, it is very good for a new joiner. It is very good for students. It is very good for the small businesses where you can locally host and you can try it out. And you don't need to know what exactly you need to do. LLM will guide you out. Claude Code with Ollama, it is very powerful combination altogether, I can say. And moreover, it is asking you based on your need, it will provide. I asked him to give me a simple CSS file, simple HTML file, so that I can click. Is uh, I can simple click on HTML dot index.html and it will go and work for me. Let me pull the screen big so that we can see more details. And if you see here, and it is one so piece of JavaScript, it CSS file it maintain, open weather API. If you see this weather, let me simple click in out. If it is a get method, and why it fits to choose. API is free, lightweight, GitHub pages, username GitHub repository. My god, awesomely defined it is for me. No need to ask anybody the help. The LLM itself is standing as a co-pilot for you, co-worker for you, a excellent brain working behind you, and you can do it. And whether you have any doubts like it is free or costly or API you are going to pay, everything is LLM is going to answer you see. uh, I was asking if I need anything there, free tire, you go ahead and do it so that I can reuse it. So get an open weather API, and it has given the API dot open weather organization 2.5. You see weather city and all these and API key content. And if you see that is free, it is also mentioning it is a free API, is free, lightweight use, return session. And GitHub pages it has given like, yes, absolutely fantabulous. And if you see, get the open weather API key, sign up, home, then it is guiding you what to do next, and it is giving you the codes as well. So quickly we'll get down. Here we go, and you see structure also mentioned, weather demo, index, HTML, CSS style, CSS script. Just you can create a repo on GitHub, post these three files, enable strings and source. It is guided you just like a mentor how to do it. And you see, simple thing, you create a folder, and folder structure also it is given. And then it has given, you see here, code as well. You no need to do anything. He has given a, for the vibe coding and JIT codings, it is almost, it is very, very powerful. You can see this is LLM has given the structures, location constants, and fetch the weather data and render the result and script. And then he's giving you suggestion, deploy to GitHub, create a new repository where the demo, add these files and commit in the repository page, and set the source to branch and HTML, and visit the URL API key. And you can see how beautiful it has given, how beautiful. And you can really push it. And then to GitHub, and here API exposure, public demo, and you see right where the demo, that one liner. I was halfway through to do. You see how beautiful it is mentioned. Do you want me to create JS? Yes, allow all edits during the sessions. Yes, I'll give a yes so that it will go ahead and do for me. You see, it is now thinking and it is trying to do it. And bash command. So you see, bash command as well. If you can, ideally, I'm a technical person. I can go ahead and do it. Suppose a small business doing and a newcomer is trying to do, so in that case it is also guiding what to do, what to not to do. You see bash command cd, you go here, create archive of the demo files. Do you want to proceed? If you say yes, yes, and do not ask for the zip, so I'll go with yes. CD, Ollama, and zip are where the demo, zip the demo. Create zip archive of the demo files. It is archiving as well. And yes, and do not ask again for the zip. So it is interacting with the user and the person who is doing. It is very good for the technicals, leads, senior developers, and the newcomer who are coming, students also, and small businesses also. It is very powerful and it will help. Suppose you want one pages for your small businesses, I can recommend this one. Now it is yeah, I'll go with second. So you can see it is on coding mode, and one by one it is asking you what exactly you need to do, what exactly your requirement, and it is really amazing and fantabulous. Let me quickly, do you want to proceed? Bash command. So it is transfiguring. If your requirement is yes, I'll simply go with the yes and try it out. Yes, I have created three source files in the folder called weather demo package, the folder into archival, and file weather demo location is VM. So it has also given me the folder path. If you see here very beautifully, you can download the file and transfer the method with the VM, then locally extract. So this is very beautifully and powerful. If you see, we have very beautifully developed a weather report, weather website within 5 minutes. And without, if someone has technical knowledge, he can or he or she can enhance the feature and fully develop the sites. If a person don't have a technical knowledge, and it is very good for vibe codings definitely. And one more thing, it is good for local development, no API cost, and definitely it will be not that much good as Opus or Sonnet, but definitely it is very powerful for local developments and for the tech leads and for the development senior developers and small businesses who wants one page. There are many small businesses where we can help them by coding with a simple page, like plumbers or like local businesses. Basically it will be very useful. Yeah, so as we can see, let me quickly check there, and here we go. Yes, my weather demo is ready. Let me quickly show you that. If you see, I'm inside it, and it has very powerfully created the weather report. Okay, three set of datas are there, and if you go, and we can quickly have a check. So I'm trying it to get codes. And I'm asking him like what are the examples like I can give for his entering the city names and all. So let me quickly check that. Okay, if I'm giving this, can we enhance it out in this value as okay. So let me quickly open one of codes there in the, if you see, let us take a look if similar things are open with VS Code. Yeah, this is similar. Yes, this is all about, if you see, let me quickly open it and for you. Uh, how beautiful it is designed, a simple page one, it's not anything kind of highly enhanced or something. I just created a simple, I asked for my like how easily this code is working. Let me quickly show you. I'm just moving it here. This one, yes, if you see, we have developed today a full place website, simple website, weather forecast with Ollama and Claude Code. So that's it. Let me quickly open it up. So that's it for tonight. Please give a try and help yourself. If you like the video, please do share it with and feel free to subscribe it. So now signing off. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time.